হ্যাপি বাংলা নিউ ইয়ার 1433। শুভ বাংলা নববর্ষ 1433। সবাইকে বাংলা নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা। টুডে ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ডেট ইন বাংলা ক্যালেন্ডার। টুডে ইজ কল্ড পহেলা বৈশাখ। Before going to the main point, I would like to say something about the history of Pohela Boishakh. About 1433 years ago, Mughal Emperor Akbar selected this day to collect land tax from his subjects. This day, Mughal Emperor Akbar made a rules to pay land tax of his subjects. My friend, do you know what is the meaning of subject here? Here, subject means citizen. Well, my friend, and people or all subjects used to pay their land tax of their empire in this day. And this day, the emperor arranged a cultural festival, and this festival called is Poila Boishakh. So, my dear friend, come to the main point. Today is the biggest cultural festival of Bengali nation. All the Bengali people used to celebrate this festival. All the Bengali nation feel like celebrating this cultural festival. First of all, I would like to say about the capital city of Dhaka. First of all, very early in the morning, the student of Dhaka University and the citizen of Dhaka arranged a Mongol Shobhajatra. They started this Mongol Shobhajatra from the TSC and Sarukola Institute. And then, at the beginning hour, in this day, the biggest cultural organization Sayanot arranged a cultural function in Romna Bottomul. It is the biggest cultural function in our country. Yes, my friend, this day people used to wear red and white shari and Punjabi. Not only red and white color shari and Punjabi, but also they wear colorful white, bright colorful white and red shari and Punjabi. Due to today our government made our rules, and today is the national holiday in Bangladesh. That's why all the people can celebrate this cultural festival. All the service holder, all the occupation of peoples, they can attend this cultural celebration. Well, my friend, after finishing the Mongol Shobhajatra, the citizen of Dhaka, they arrange many cultural function in the TSC and Sorwadi Uddan. And another part of this day, the Sayanot arrange whole day cultural function. This day people used to roaming or explore with their family members, and people used to go fair, and many people used to make or draw tattoo on their face, on their hand, and then people used to have dessert or sweet. And then this day Bengali people used to visit their relatives. This day Bengali people used to meet their relatives, and they share their pleasure moment with their relatives, friends, neighbors. On the other hand, the uh, what can I say? Small business holder, businessman use this day as a beginning day of their accounting period. It is called Halkhata. This day, businessmen opened their new account to record their business transaction. This day, all the debitors or creditors used to pay their debits, and then they open new account of their business. Whatever, my friend, as a Bengali, I also feel like celebrating this cultural festival. Due to I haven't enough knowledge about the history of Bengali culture, about the Pohla Boishak, but I try to say something. I am trying to describe something. This day, all over our country side, people used to visit fair, and then people used to make many delicious food in their house. Basically, the traditional food is panta bhat and ilsha fish fried. And then people like to give gift sweet with their relatives. My friend, as a Bengali, I feel proud about my Bengali culture, about my Bengali festival culture. But nowadays we can see that many Western culture affected on our Bengali culture, Bengali national festival culture. We forget our calendar date, we forget our Bengali calendar. We feel proud. We should feel proud because we have a calendar. It is our biggest achievement. We must feel proud because we have a calendar. It is really great blessing for us. Well, my friend, as a Bengali, I would like to say something to you. This Bengali culture isn't coming within a short time. This Bengali culture was coming for thousand and thousand years ago. We used to live with together. That's mean different types of religious people we used to live together. For example, Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Buddha, and so many uh, upojati. In this time, I can't remember the meaning of upojati. We are living in the same country and the same culture. We are Bengali. At the end of the day, we are Bengali. So we should respect our Bengali tradition. We should build a strong Bengali tradition. We should keep good or we should keep strong our Bengali relationship. No need to find who is who Muslim, who Hindu, who Christian, who Buddhist. No need to judge it. We are Bengali. At the end of the day, we are Bengali. So, my friend, in this time or at the end of this video, I highly request to you, could you please forget all classification, all caste, all mm, ideology, philosophy, all everything, and try to build a strong Bengali relationship with all Bengali people. My friend, again, I want to say that শুভ বাংলা নববর্ষ, সবাইকে বাংলা নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। বাঙালির সংস্কৃতি, বাঙালির ঐতিহ্যের প্রতি আস্থা এবং ভালোবাসা স্থাপন করবেন এবং সর্বোপরি বাংলা ভাষা, বাঙালির সংস্কৃতিকে বুকে ধারণ করে আমরা সকলে হিন্দু, মুসলমান, বৌদ্ধ, খ্রিস্টান সকলে মিলে সুন্দর একটা বাঙালি জাতি গড়ার প্রচেষ্টা করব। আজকের এই শুভ দিনে এটাই হোক আমাদের দৃঢ় প্রতিজ্ঞা। সবাইকে আবারও শুভকামনা এবং বাংলা নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা রইল। ধন্যবাদ।